Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn E sound words. So let's start. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O and U. And E is the second vowel. So let's start E sound words. E and sound words. This is a pen, and the spelling of pen is P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. This is number 10, and the spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. This is a hen, and the spelling of hen is H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. This is a den, and the spelling of den is D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. E-D sound words. This is a bed, and the spelling of bed is B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. This is the color red, and the spelling of red is R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. This is Ted, and the spelling of Ted is T-E-D, Ted. T-E-D, Ted. This is wed, and the spelling of wed is W-E-D, wed. W-E-D, wed. E-G sound words. This is a leg, and the spelling of leg is L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. This is a peg, and the spelling of peg is P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. E-T sound words. This is a net, and the spelling of net is N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. This is a jet, and the spelling of jet is J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.